Good excuse. Good excuse. Hey y'all, Xavier here, and today we're gonna be watching Moon Knight. It's season 1, episode 3. Look at it. The description of this episode says, with Marc in the forefront and Harrow near Amit's tomb, Marc needs to navigate Cairo, while putting his differences aside with Layla and Steven without jeopardizing their mission. Okay, so what we've got here is that Marc is controlling the body. Steven is at the side of the end of the last episode inside the mirror dimension thing. Khonshu, I think it's Khonshu is telling him, yo, we got to go to Egypt, we got to find Amit's tomb, and we saw last episode that Arthur got the scarab, so he knows he has the compass to guide him to where Amit's tomb is, and so Stephen and Marc and Khonshu have to find it without without that help at the scarab, right? And so a bit getting there, but he's gonna find some help somehow to get it going. So Layla, it says Layla's gonna be there, which I expected, which I said in my wrap up in the post discussion last time. Anything else I see? No, I'm just gonna see maybe some adventure and like mystery and stuff like that in this episode, because Marc is gonna be trying to find where the tomb is, gonna be trying to track it, getting some leads and all that, maybe it's like some mystery stuff. So yeah, so best I can think of right now. Best I can think of right now. And so that's it. Let's go.
And I found him with the scarab, living 20 minutes from our old place.
Who's she talking to? Oh wait,
No, he's probably going to get himself killed running around Cairo.
they lived in London together before. Oh, I didn't pick that up the first time. I saw them that they lived together in London already. Cool.
I don't steal. They've already been stolen.
Good point.
Fine. Take them off the black market and return them to their rightful owners.
Fair enough.
Keep a few to pay the bills.
A little modern day Robin Hood. No, not Robin Hood. I don't know what I would call her.
It's a hard thing, exhuming the pain of the past. Easy to get stuck.
Yeah,
Fixate on what's hurt us.
that is true.
And I won't do either.
Oh, sure you will. Okay, and another time that they've foregone the usual Marvel theme with something else. Interesting. It's the only show I've seen it that I can think of. I'm sure it's probably happened with another one before. Yeah, probably. Maybe the Guardians movies?
We found Amit.
Okay. They found her.
She's here.
At least it's not a big area for them. It's not a big area that they have to dig.
Tracking us.
I know. She's here.
Yeah, he's trying to focus them on. Oh, it's the police officers. He's trying to focus them on the big picture. We're in Amit's orbit now. Focus on that. He'll deal with everything else.
Never gonna find her.
Really?
Haro's got his goons cleaning up anybody who might know what's going on. Bitch slap. Know your place. Yeah, like come on dude. What the hell?
Just let us go, man. That wasn't me. Let me talk to you for a second. يا عم الفلوس. عارف فلوس. الفلوس يا عم.
Poor cab driver got stiffed on his fare. Come on, Marc.
Mark, that's enough.
That's not Steven. Steven can't do that.
Mark, Stephen, what did you do? I swear it wasn't me. Then who was it?
Exactly, who was it? Was it like a third personality? Or like Khonshu manifested somehow? I don't know.
He's just a kid.
He'll talk.
Definitely a third person, because I remember, I think I said in my original thing that there was like, he had more than these two personalities, that we only seen these two so far. Food for thought.
Praise Amit.
Dedicated to the cause. I thought so too. But he's dedicated, man. Commitment, loyalty. You gotta appreciate the devotion to the cult.
What are you doing?
Sending the gods a signal they can't ignore.
Yeah, you definitely can't ignore that. Gonna be very noticeable.
A portal presents itself anywhere.
Okay, so where's mine?
Right there. That's the portal.
Aren't you coming with?
Oh, I'll be there.
What does that mean?
That's it. Avatar of Hathor.
Okay.
Goddess of music and love.
Cool.
You mentioned her.
Nope.
Other gods aren't really his favorite topic.
I would expect so.
She says it was not so long ago Khonshu enjoyed Hathor's melodies.
No longer?
As far as I know, the only melody Khonshu enjoys is the sound of pain.
Return from the opulence of the overboard before you lose this realm.
For the last time,
Yeah, that's gotta be really weird for Marc to do.
Shift Avatar. The purposes of our meeting must be nefarious. You know exactly why we are here.
Exactly, he definitely knows why they're here.
But speak, old master, to the point. Do you not seek to release Amit from her tomb? I was in
Acting like he's innocent.
visiting the sands. The man is clearly insane.
We will not tolerate violence in this chamber.
Yeah, I didn't expect so. You can't just punch people in a trial, man. That's not on. It's not cricket. Okay, he admits it. Interesting. Yeah, you do need help.
this matter is concluded.
Sham trial. Like, come on. To just listen to what Arthur says and see that our set problems and then boom, that's it for them. Lame. Sham kangaroo court.
Listen to me carefully. Amit was buried in secrets, the location hidden even from the gods.
Okay, so he's getting help. Like I said, he would.
I hope you like attention. Right guy, right place, but you're not Egyptian.
Layla, what the hell are you doing here? You should
What?
be here.
Why? Because my name pisses off a few people in Cairo? Who cares?
Oh yeah, Layla's Egyptian.
Oh. It's not pleasant being left in the dark, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay. I get that you're not happy about me leaving so quickly and coming to Cairo. I
Tit
understand.
for tat.
Wait, is that your apology?
A lame one.
You know,
That's really
just so we can get
Yeah, a really good apology.
Let's just go. I am sorry. For whatever that's worth.
Not a lot right now. Not worth a lot.
I could have told you. You know, what it's been like for you. About Stephen.
You should have. It's your wife. You gotta share things.
Anything real.
Yes.
I know. But doesn't mean that we shouldn't.
Exactly. You should have.
Maybe.
You gotta have
It's too
communication.
late for that now, though.
You don't know. It's not always too late. It's never always too late in life. Is Marc gonna be one of those guys on the horses?
After Madripoor, I'm sure you two will have a lot to talk about.
Oh, what happened to Madripoor? Oh, Madripoor. We had that in what's the name? Falcon and the Winter Soldier.
No, he gets private lessons by the best in his backyard.
Ah.
Cool.
Okay. Oh, it's this young guy.
Layla, come in.
Gotta have a robe. Keep it, opulent or like not classic, opulent. You mean like chill.
No location indicated.
Because the information has to be unlocked. It's coded.
Okay, thank you, Stephen, for being helpful.
He's praying.
Good excuse. Good excuse.
Should make a start.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mark! Don't.
Yo, it's like the tactical survival guy with the gun thing.
Say don't move, but if I move,
Don't move.
Oh yeah, that was late.
Except it worked for Marc. Yeah, we thought so.
Get on your knees.
Will prevent the wounds from your father's murder from reopening. But something stands in your way. Your husband doesn't tell you the truth.
How does he know about her father?
That's just a taste of the godly power I offer.
Just casual tomb desecration. Mild stuff. Yeah. Thank you for saving Layla.
Back into that.
Oh, did he save up the bullets in there and then just flick it back to them? That's what it looked like it happened right there.
Alright, time out. That's it, time out. Guys, let's all calm down, yeah? We're all worked up. Let's all chill the F out and talk for a second.
What?
Take the body. Take the body, Mark.
No chilling. No chilling out. You better work.
I have the best advice for women in business. Get your ass up and work.
Ugh. Oh, that necklace thing is oh, they're knives. You're not gonna make it before him. Marc's gonna win that, and yeah, he was never gonna win that race. Margaret, yeah, that's what his name. he wasn't gonna win.
Every time I learn something new about you, I think, that's it. There can't possibly be any secrets left between us.
But there were more secrets.
Something else pops up, and it's like I've not known you at all.
Yeah,
You haven't.
you haven't.
Like he said.
You don't.
Damn. That's rough, buddy. That's really rough to lay on her like that.
Mark, we need Steven.
Yes, you do. He's not an expert, but
I really think it's worth giving him a shot.
he's much better at this than Mark.
Hey! What are you doing?
Well, he's gonna talk to him in the mirror to figure it out. Something like that.
Steven?
Egyptians invented modern navigation.
Don't stop lusting after Steven and get to work. That man was lost in her eyes.
We know exactly what the sky looked like on that date. The bug
Maybe Khonshu can help?
Remember that night.
Ah. Of course he can help.
Do what I do.
Oh, okay. He's gonna get Steven to help. Okay. Whoa. That's super cool, man.
I got it!
Ah, yes. They got it. Oh, I think it's just gone because of the loss of the power.
In the end, he left us no choice.
Yeah, because he wouldn't listen to him.
I want you to remember one thing. Your torment forged me. I owe my victory to you.
Big talk, that's enough. He's so sure he's gonna be successful. It's like, yo, I'm laying it out. Okay. So we started off with Layla getting her fake passport with and we found out that she's Egyptian. We found out that she's getting her fake passport with this past friend, this colleague of her father's that Layla also knows. Then we transitioned to Arthur and his group using the scarab to find the tomb, the location of the tomb. And we saw the 2 police officers there. Then it was Stephen in Egypt. Well, everybody was in Egypt this episode, but Stephen, not aside from Mark, fighting those 3 cult members who had killed the person who could give him info. They killed him. Stephen had a fight, and then we saw there's something interesting, which I'll come back to a little bit later. Where let's stop it now. Where we saw that there was potentially like a 3rd personality who interrupted because Mark was like in the fight, and then he zoned out, and then he came back, and then, like 2 times that happened, and both times he had escaped. Steven could not escape that situation. Only Mark of the 2 of them could escape that situation. Only Mark of the 2 of them could escape that situation. So definitely like a 3rd personality was in play there. Yeah, so we gotta watch out for that, because on that also personality was speaking Arabic. Steven can speak Arabic. No, he can speak French, and he can read hieroglyphics, but I don't think he can speak Arabic. It would only be Layla who can speak Arabic, I think. Right, and then what did we do next? Khonshu summoned the gods. We did the whole moon thing. Right, so he did the whole moon thing where he summoned the moon and summoned the moon in daytime, and they called the gods, and it was like a meeting of the avatars of the gods. and we found that he had a friend, the former friend, I don't remember her name, Yatsu, I think that was the name of her avatar. I don't remember the name of the goddess, right? But I know she was the goddess of music and love. Alright, so there's this meeting, then there's a trial, where they called Arthur, but nothing was resolved, and then the gods like dismissed it. You know, it was a lame trial. They were like, they really didn't want to deal with it. They're just like trying to find Amit. So Arthur's trying to find Amit. Oh, let's call him in. Oh, Arthur gives a little defense, and that's it for them. Arthur like calls out Mark because of this whole double personality thing, multiple personality thing, and then that's it. Shally. What happens after that? Mark is trying to find the sarcophagus after he received the help of the location of Senfu. Doesn't find it. Layla finds him. He's not progressing. Layla finds him. Layla takes him to this mugart guy. They find the sarcophagus. They're trying to decipher the location, coordinates, and everything. But then Arthur shows up. Arthur destroys the sarcophagus, and then there is a. Arthur destroys the sarcophagus, and then there's like a fight between. There's a fight with Margaret's guys and Mark, and then there's the suit brought out, and so they escape from that. And they make their way into the desert. They attempt to figure out what the markings are, because they managed to scavenge some of the paper thing, whatever, the cloth paper. I don't know what it was. Most likely cloth. They managed to scavenge that, and then Mark and Layla aren't doing well figuring it out. So they have to bring Steven. Steven figures out what's happening, figures it out. But in order for it to work, they need to be brought to the sky. They need to see the sky for the coordinates to work. They need to find the sky of like 2,000 years ago. Khonshu remembers it. He does his magic and brings it back, and then the gods imprison him in stone. Steven gets knocked out, but they find the coordinates, and then that's where we left off with episode. So yeah, I'm just thinking next episode it's called The Tomb. So we could definitely gonna see Arthur's cult and Steven, Mark. I don't know whose body's going to be. They're gonna be in the tomb with Layla, and it's gonna just be that whole thing. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's like, yes, I like this episode cause it was a little bit there was like this big fight in the middle, and there was like in the ending it was like this nice little sequence where he's doing the whole thing with the sky. Yeah, I like that. So in the front, the trial, then the trial cost could have done better, but like it brought in this new element where they are being introduced slowly. Are they like soft launching this new character of us? I don't know. Might find out some little interesting stuff about Layla. She's Egyptian. Her father's murdered. Arthur knows something about that. Eventually, supposed to be. Yeah, and we see her links to her past life with this Margaret guy and the Beck character. Both of them dead, so we don't know. Don't think we're gonna find out what's happened in Madripoor. It's another mention of Madripoor, like I said in the reaction, because it was in the Falcon and Winter Soldier. Yeah, so this is basically a setup for, let's see what happens in episode 4. Not sure. This is gonna just be a short thing. Oh yeah, because the suit. I don't think we can have a suit again. But the suit is tied to Khonshu, and Khonshu is in stone, encased in stone. So will Steven / Mark / potential others still be able to be a conduit as an avatar? I don't know. Will they still have the suit? Will they still have the armor? Questions that need to be answered. I don't think so. I think he's gonna have to do it without the armor. It's just gonna be Mark / Steven / whoever, and Layla, and they're gonna try and find. They're gonna find the tomb, and then they explore the tomb. This could be some big thing, and definitely think that the gods are gonna get involved again in a late episode. Oh yeah, I remember that Layla was in this like costume thing, so she's potentially going to get suited up some kind of power, so that might be help them out in a tight spot. She's gonna unlock something, so that's definitely something. Yeah, that's kind of spot. That's a semi spot for me, but I have no idea the context of it. I just saw her in the suit. I don't remember the location. It was like a white place, a white background place. It was like in a tomb. I don't remember. I just remember she was like in this thing with wings. So that's potentially a nice setup because we know that Khonshu was gone. So there's potentially no more suit for Marc. So Layla gets a suit to help out and fight Arthur, and then somehow without the gods come in and the gods give him free Khonshu. I know Marc is an avatar for him again. I don't know. I'll just run it out there. But yeah, so I'm interested to see episode 4 and the other final 2 episodes of the season. Yeah, those are my thoughts for now. And bye.